Hello YouTube, what changes will occur in the body if you do not drink alcohol for 28 days? During the holidays and vacations, we often forget that alcohol is very dangerous for the body, and its regular use leads to many unpleasant consequences. On the other hand, giving up alcohol is exactly the opposite. It improves health. Do you like to drink a bottle of beer after a hard day's work to relax and unload your brain? Or maybe a glass of wine with dinner for better digestion and good appetite? We want to disappoint you, such habits do not benefit either your mental or physical health. It's best to get rid of them as soon as possible. And to give you more motivation, here is a detailed chronology of changes for 28 days without alcohol. First week. You will be surprised, but already in the first week of giving up alcohol, your appetite will improve significantly. If earlier you could drink a glass of beer instead of food, now you will give preference to something hearty and, as a rule, sweet. By the way, the habit of replacing food with alcohol is one of the 9 signs of alcoholism. Don't bring yourself to this stage. In addition, you will soon notice how the quality of your sleep will improve. True, the first few days will not be easy. Those who are used to falling asleep, taking it to heart, will suffer from headaches, insomnia and anxiety. This is how the body reacts to the changes that are taking place. Second week. Already from the second week, a slow cleansing of the liver will begin, because, as you know, while drinking alcohol, its cells are gradually destroyed, forming a kind of scars on the surface. Fortunately, this organ can be restored, but this process will take quite a long time. Rather, the duration of the recovery period directly depends on how long and often the person drank before. If he was not too fond of alcohol, the cleansing will be much faster. Women should especially pay attention to this pleasant moment, because their skin is cleansed along with the liver. In addition, already in the second week, blood circulation, digestion will improve and the work of the gastrointestinal tract will normalize. Third week. As early as the third week without alcohol, you will begin to notice external signs of improved health. Dark circles under the eyes will disappear, bruises and swelling on the face will disappear, teeth will become brighter. By the way, as for the teeth, after a 20-day abstinence from alcohol, tooth enamel will become much stronger due to the normalization of salivation. Fourth week. On the fourth week, the most pleasant thing for the girls will happen. They will notice a noticeable weight loss. In just this month, just giving up alcohol, you can lose about 4 to 6 kilograms. Also, a 28-day abstinence from drinking, your blood pressure normalizes, which will help prevent the risk of developing cardiovascular disease and hypertension. Now you understand how detrimental alcohol affects our body and how important it is to get rid of this bad habit as soon as possible? Admit it, how do you feel about alcohol? Do you drink only on holidays or prefer not to drink? Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.